Crossed 4 million cars in China. Model Y prices are quietly dropping. Robo-taxis are taking over cities, and Waymo is already giving 450,000 paid rides every single week. This is not just tech news. This is the future unfolding right now. Welcome back to InfoByte Network. Let's break it all down. Tesla's 4 million vehicle milestone. We start today with a massive milestone from Tesla. Tesla has officially announced that it has produced its 4th millionth vehicle at Gigafactory, Shanghai. Now, here's why this matters. The first Tesla ever built in Shanghai rolled off the line in December 2019. That means Tesla reached 4 million vehicles in under 6 years at just one factory. Gigafactory Shanghai is widely considered Tesla's most efficient and productive plant. It supplies not only China, but also exports vehicles to Europe and other parts of Asia. This factory is proof that Tesla's real advantage isn't just batteries or software, it's manufacturing at scale. And as competition heats up globally, scale is what keeps Tesla alive. Tesla app, new charging passport feature. Now let's talk about a feature Tesla never officially announced, but owners are slowly discovering. Tesla has rolled out something called Charging Passport inside the Tesla app. Think of it like Spotify Wrapped, but for EV charging. Once enabled, it gives you a full map of every supercharger you visited, your longest road trip of the year, total charging sessions, total miles added, your busiest charging day, and Tesla didn't stop there. They added badges and achievements, including Explorer Badge for unique chargers, Green Saver for off-peak charging, Mega Charger for total energy usage, First Supercharge Badge. There are even fun niche badges like Mostly Home Charging or visiting the Tesla Diner. Tesla is doing something very smart here. They're turning charging, something many people complain about, into a game. This feature is still rolling out server-side, so not everyone has it yet. But once it reaches everyone, expect social media to be flooded with screenshots. Undocumented Tesla holiday update features. Tesla also quietly added 2 undocumented features in the holiday update. First, dashcam and Sentry mode organization. Instead of dumping everything into one folder, Tesla now categorizes footage into honk events, emergency braking, panic events, object or pole detections. This makes reviewing incidents far easier. Second, a redesigned car wash mode. Tesla finally made free roll extremely obvious with step-by-step instructions. If you've ever been stuck at a car wash not knowing how to shift into neutral, Tesla just saved you from embarrassment. Small updates, but very practical ones. Counts and 0% APR. Now let's talk about something everyone cares about: price. Tesla has quietly started discounting the Model Y standard. Right now, buyers can get 0% APR financing, up to $2,000 off demo vehicles, around $1,500 off new inventory units. And yes, these discounts stack. Premium and performance Model Y trims are also seeing 2.99% and 5.29% APR deals. We haven't seen deals like this from Tesla in a long time. As Tesla builds inventory toward year-end, it wouldn't be surprising to see even deeper discounts. This is Tesla's classic strategy: scale production, adjust pricing, drive demand. Performance model updates. Quick update on performance trims. Model Y performance deliveries, which were briefly paused, are now officially underway again. Meanwhile, in China, the Model 3 performance is essentially sold out through January 2026, with new orders showing delivery in February. Performance demand is still strong, even as Tesla pushes affordability. Tesla FSD versus Waymo. Now to the most debated topic in tech: full self-driving. Elon Musk recently claimed that Tesla's FSD is pretty much solved and that unsupervised robo-taxis will launch in Austin very soon. As always, take the timeline carefully. But here's the interesting part. According to Piper Sandler, Tesla's miles to critical disengagement improved by over 20 times after FSD version 14. That's the largest improvement recorded in 4 years. At the same time, Samsung is accelerating hiring to support Tesla's AI-5 chip, which suggests Tesla is preparing for massive AI compute demand. Tesla isn't just upgrading software, they're upgrading the entire AI pipeline. Now let's talk about the current leader in robo-taxis, Waymo. Waymo now provides around 450,000 paid rides per week, nearly double earlier this year. That puts them on pace for 20 million rides per year. They operate fully driverless in multiple US cities and are expanding to London in 2026. However, Waymo recently issued a voluntary software recall after incidents involving school buses. No injuries were reported, but it shows how edge cases can slow public trust. Autonomy isn't about being good most of the time, it's about being perfect all the time. Who wins by 2032? Morgan Stanley predicts that by 2032, Tesla and Waymo will control 70% of autonomous miles. Robo-taxis will account for 30% of all rideshare miles. Uber and Lyft will lose major market share. The big question is this: will robo-taxis replace existing rides or create an entirely new transportation habit? That answer will decide who truly wins. From Tesla's manufacturing dominance to smarter software to the autonomous race reshaping cities, one thing is clear: the future isn't waiting anymore. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like, subscribe to InfoByte Network, and comment below. Who dominates the robo-taxi future, Tesla or Waymo? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.